Hi everyone. Today I am going to conduct a test on the topic living things and non-living things and also the common features of living things. All you need is a paper and pencil. Please get it. I will be reading aloud the question and you will be writing the answer just in one word. Okay? Once I finish the question, I will be noting down all the answers on the board so that you can check the spellings too. Okay? Are you ready? Here we go. The first question. Things that are given by nature are called dash things. I repeat. Things that are given by nature are called dash things. I don't think you need to note down the questions. Just present your answer in one word. I repeat the first question. Things that are given by nature are called dash things. Second question, I come with the definition of living things. The things that have dash in them are called living things. The things that have dash in them are called living things. You need to fill the blank. Now comes the questions related to the common features of living things. Do you remember all the 6 common features we discussed in our earlier class? Feel, move, grow, breathe, need food and water, reproduce. So each question is related to the common features of living things. Listen carefully. Here is the third question. Birds and insects fly with the help of their dash. Birds and insects fly with the help of their dash. Fourth question. Fishes swim with the help of their dash and dash. I want you to fill both the blanks. Fishes swim with the help of dash and dash. Fifth question for you. The leaves of the dash plant close and droop when touched. The leaves of the dash plant close and droop when touched. This is the name of a plant that we discussed under the common feature of living things, move. When we are learning that common features that living things move, we have come across an example of a plant that closes and droops its leaves when we touch it. Coming to the 6th blank, the period of time for which a living being lives is called its dash. The period of time for which a living being lives is called its dash. It comes under the common feature growth. 7th bit. Insects have dash along the sides of their bodies for breathing. Insects have dash along the sides of their bodies for breathing. 8th question. Plants breathe through tiny pores in the leaves called dash. Plants breathe through tiny pores in the leaves that are called dash. 9th question. Organs that enable us to sense the changes around us. Organs that enable us, organs that help us to sense the changes around us are known as dash. 10th question. The process of producing young ones, of one's own kind is called dash. The process of producing young ones of one's own kind is called dash. What do we call that process? I am done with all the 10 blanks. Here I am ready with the answers. The first one, things that are given by nature are called natural things. Things that are given by nature are called natural things. The things that have life in them. The things that have life in them are called living things. And birds and insects fly with the help of their wings. Birds and insects, they move from one place to another place with the help of their wings. And how about a fish? A fish swims in water with the help of fins and tail. Fish swims in the water with the help of fins and tail. And the name of the plant that shows some sort of movement. Whenever you touch it, it just closes its leaves. It is nothing but touch me not, which is also called as mimosa. Next comes the period of time, the duration or the longevity of a living being is called as lifespan. So this lifespan differs from one animal to another. For example, a donkey's lifespan is for 50 years, whereas an elephant lives for 70 to 80 years. A banana tree lives for 2 to 3 years, whereas a banyan tree lives for 400 years. So this period of time a living being lives is called its lifespan. And the insects, they have air holes along the side of their bodies that help in breathing. So the seventh answer is air holes. Eighth one, the tiny pores that are present on the leaves are called stomata that help in breathing. I told you stoma is the singular form and stomata is the plural form. And ninth one, the organs that help us to sense our surroundings are called as sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Among the living beings, the animals and human beings have the sense organs, whereas plants doesn't have sense organs. So, sense organs are the organs that help us to sense the surroundings. And the last bit, the process of giving young ones or producing young ones of their own kind is called as reproduction. The process of giving young ones of their own kind is called as reproduction. If you are 10 out of 10, you are doing extremely well. If you are missing somewhere, just don't worry and feel happy that you have got a chance to learn the topic today. Just revisit the topic. Good luck.